will I not today? Ano ai kia aloha, ya kato pauroa, and happy Sunday, ya kako. It's been a while, but here I am again with a nice recipe that the white part of the green onion, shiitake, ginger, and another cracked ginger. I was too lazy to cut garlic. And this is ginger and green onions to make the cold ginger chicken sauce. That's bamboo shoot. You watch YouTube and then you copy and then you make your own. Anyways, I already give you some time to gather the ingredients if you wanted to cook simultaneously. Mea une. So once again, Lup Cheong, green beans, no pea, aka'akai, and that's sugar, that's pa'akai, and those are the sauces and things. Okay, we're gonna start right now. Yamalo. Okay, no ikako ke ho'omakane ita Lup Cheong and things. Yeah, oyaka. So ho'omakako melta. I think so. I'm going to say, yeah, the awapuhi. Yeah, in goes the awapuhi. And the oya ka awapuhi, ka ingredient mua, ho'otomoe ita ipohao. Oh, you know, i'aalamay ta'aila. Oh, yeah, awapuhi. Hard. So once again, you grab what you have from your pantry, yeah? And you just carry on. Whatever you have, you just make it. If you don't have awapuhi, carry on. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna throw some more. I will cut up the awapuhi and eya ta'aka'akai because we love aka'akai because it's good for the blood. Okay. Oh, alamay. Alanui me. Uh-oh. Look. Oh, wow, no, anyways. Okay, so the awapuhi, make kalika, and ki imanawa, kumanao. Yahana ta aka'akai. Oh, yeah, we live for aka'akai. Hard. Aka'akai silly. Aka'akai city. Oh, yeah. Just polite her. Huh?
You too, bro.
Ooh. And stuff.
Really?
Yeah, you're like that. Loudness. That was loudness.
Everything loud.
Very kawaii.
Everything loud.
Via palolo. Yeah.
What happened to this headphone?
Huh? Oh, it's nothing.
Murky.
And then just kawili, ho'ohui, pilu, a translucent may ho'ikau. Oh, yeah?
Oh, nice.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, aloha ho no kako. Ho'okomo ia ihola. Yeah, fa so ifua. Yeah, kahi hoa. Hipa mila oia ia u. Matahale ni. Ma kalihi no hoi. And okay, kahi mea. Hana ole ai o ia ka wala au nui, ka wala au iki, ka wala au loa, ka wala au poko. Ia ue kuki ana, cause just ole tick straight hot. Anyways, ia ta na au kake pake. Ho'otomo ia me ta aka'akai awapuhi and me ta kalika. And then just ho'ohui and things. Ya mahalo. Ya, mao. Okay, gang. So you know how sometimes when you buy Lup Cheong from wherever you get it from, sometimes she's soft, sometimes she's harder than life. Well, this one is soft, so she's not really pretty. But you know what? Like I said, carry on. So, anyways, I'm going to throw right now. I'm feeling bamboo shoot. So throw it in, and then right now I'm feeling, I'm feeling everything. Yeah, I'm feeling everything. Yeah. Let's just throw it all in. In goes the kukai. I forgot what it's called. Kukailio? Something like that. Shiitake, mushrooms. Just throw it all in. Yeah, throw it all in. Yeah, just throw it all in. Hurry up already. We got mouths to feed, and it's already late. Throw her in and the mixer. Hui, kawili, and tala. Your favorite. What is it called? This. Pepeo. Hard. Just throw it in. Throw it in all over. Everywhere. Everyone eats it. Just throw it everywhere. Yeah. They just... Okay. So this is how she's starting to look. She's not as pretty as I thought, but like I said, carry on, yeah. Don't let it discourage you. Carry on. You got mouths to feed. And you know, when you live in a house full of 20 people, that means you have 25 mouths to feed, yeah? So you just gotta carry on. And you know what? You eat what get, yeah? It may not look the prettiest, but from far away, she looks real cute. Okay? Anyways, I forgot one more pretty ingredient. To get ma'a to these types of Hawaiian things. Hawaiian pake types of things. Okay? Just go for it. Like I said, carry on. Mac it. Go for it, and oh, look pretty now. Oh, everything come together. Okay. So, looking real Chinese and a skosh Filipino. And you know what? That's okay. In fact, that's wonderful. Okay, now so far, if you're wondering, I didn't do any seasonings yet. I should probably do that now. Yeah. I'm gonna do that. Okay, so boom, pakai. Go for it. Not too much, just a skosh. Yeah, like lava canal. Okay, show you. Go for it. Just go for it. Okay, just keep going for it. Carry on. Live, love, laugh, and feed. Feed the world. Feed everyone. All 25 of mouths. I think lava pa again now. Okay. Oyster sauce. Ooh, kam chan. Oli kam ki. Oh yeah. Go for it. Feed everyone. Feeding. Okay, I just added those types of things, but what I noticed I forgot to add was pepper. Now, the asia, makit punilato ita, pepper keo. But you know what? We don't have those things right now. We have the pepper, and we just, like I said, carry on. Go for it. Don't let no one discourage you. Don't let anyone shut you down. Just carry on. Feed everyone. You see how she's coming along? She's looking very chop suey. She's looking very chop suey. She's pulling more on the Chinese rather than the Filipino, but you know what? Carry on, yeah. It smells like heaven. Okay, now I have some of this left. This is the juice that was soaking. I'm gonna put just a skoosh. Oh yeah. Okay, that's more. That's lava pa na. Boil her hard. Yeah, okay. I don't think I have anything. Okay, so I forgot what I put last, but I think it was the water that was soaking the shiitake mushroom. Flavor city. Flavor bad. Flavor hard. Now you see, this is looking very Chinese. And you're living. So you know what I forgot to put was the topa. So this is topa. Yeah, topa. Okay, I think lava pa again now. Nah, just let's go. Too cooked. I love crunch because we're not Gerber kids anymore. Yeah, we're adults, and even the kids gotta get ma'a. Powder Gerber already. Put away the Gerber and feed them vegetable city. Lava. Okay, too much already. But like I said, feed everyone. Carry on. Carry on. The world goes on. Okay. Okay, now I like my vegetables. Okay, I brought it down to a low simmer. And I forgot one important thing. Well, the Chinese live by it. So I'm just gonna do what they do. Because I am Chinese hard. Ask anyone. This is called Shaoxing Lang. And I really don't... I mean, I know what it does. But I don't really feel I need to tell you. Other than it makes it fragrant. And oh boy, does it smell like China. Not Wuhan, but kind of close. Okay, now to seal the deal, gang, because I'm kind of done. The secret trick. Sesame oil, just a skosh. Oh, the finish and the ala. Oh gosh, and oh my gosh. Already, shut it all off. All done, feed everyone already. Mahalo for watching, and aloha no. And just feed everyone, make everyone happy. So here, aloha everyone, and so here's my my dinner up. my dinner bits. And yeah, this is how she looked like. Okay. So I wonder if there was anyone out there who was cooking the same time as me. That'll be cool. And if you weren't, save it for later. Hopefully you remember the recipe, and you know what? Make your own recipe, yeah. Just go for it. Okay? May lacy, tao. And let's call it, let's call it Lup Cheong. Lup Cheong and mushroom and things. Okay. Aloha to one and all, and to all a wonderful night. Fa soy fua and keo ko pua. Look that. We're cooking.